Here for our first lesson, most important thing you really need to know is what are these notes? So when I tell you what to play, you actually know what I'm talking about. If you look at the keyboard, you see you have a set of 2 black notes and 3 black notes. It repeats itself constantly. It doesn't change. It just continues. So what you need to find first is 2 black notes, and on the left and bottom of the one on the left, you'll have C. C is sort of like like a foundational key. A lot of things you'll learn will be in the actual key of C, and it's just the easiest to understand. But the musical alphabet goes from A to G. So you would be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, so on and so forth, all the way from bottom to top. But we find C with 2 black notes and a note to the left. Now the alphabet is going this way. So if this is C, the next note would obviously be D. If this is D, next note would be E. E, then F, F, then G. And because the musical alphabet is from A to G, we go from G right back to A, and it never ends. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, so on and so forth. Now, those are the white notes. For the black notes, you have something that is called flats and sharps. Now, flat means to the left, and left on the keyboard means lower. So if I have a note here, which is E, if I were to say to you, hit a lower note, anything to the left will be lower. Like this, like this, like this, whatever it may be. That means it would be flat in that same direction. Therefore, if I wanted to play this black note, I would have to say to myself, okay, well, how did I get to this black note? I started at E and I went to the left, which is this way, which is also lower, which would make it an E flat. Therefore, this note is E flat, and it would stand that way for any note that is to the right of the black note. Therefore, this is D, that means this is D flat. We know this is E, so this is E flat. This is G, so this is G flat, this would be A flat, this would be B flat. And it's the exact opposite with sharps, which means that sharp is to the right. And right, subsequently, if left is lower, that means right would have to be higher. So D is right here, just to note D. Anything higher is up here. You hear the notes, they get higher. So same thing, just as we did with flats, we'll do it with sharps. So I want to know what this note is. So I'm starting at D, and I want to go to the right, which is higher, which means that D sharp will be here. And subsequently, C sharp is here, F sharp here, G sharp here, A sharp here. Now you may say to me, you just said the exact same notes and they both had 2 different names. That is correct. They are called different things according to other parts of theory that doesn't necessarily matter right now. But every black note has 2 names. White notes don't. Therefore, this is a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and we start back at C. And this is C sharp, D flat, D sharp, E flat, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat. And from there, you know all the notes. This is Ron from Ron Goes Gospel. Thanks for joining me. Come back for the next lesson.